Hello, I'm Dr. Ruchit Shah, Laboratory Director of Mangalam Pathology Laboratory, Ahmedabad, Gujarat, India. I've been the consultant pathologist here for 2 years and have a total experience of more than 10 years in the field of laboratory pathology. My role in the laboratory is to establish, implement, and monitor the processes needed to run it. We chose the D10 system for its quality, reproducible results on A1C and thalassemia testing. For me, quality is the most important point of concern. The feasibility of doing both A1C and A2F on the same system with the same D10 dual kit, that is short and extended, is also a good advantage over the other machines. At Mangalam Pathology Laboratory, we have an average walk-in patient base of 40 patients a day. We run around 1800 HbA1c tests on the short method and about 1200 A2F tests on the extended method per year. When I run the short method, I can report most A1c results. However, in cases where a hemoglobin variant appears in the variant window, I run the extended method to differentiate between HbS, HbE, HbD Punjab or HbD Iran, which are very common in this region. With D10 dual, from my experience, I can retest the samples from the short to the extended method to have a better evaluation of the variants. In cases when the D10 reveals a rare hemoglobin, I do not report an A1C result as I might not know the hemoglobin variant's effect on A1C formation and RBC lifespan. So, fructosamine is advised. The D10 also informs me when I should not report A1C. For example, in cases when adult hemoglobin is absent, then the D10 lets me know that HbA1c does not exist. Knowing this information helps me provide accurate information to the clinician and patient. In cases when adult hemoglobin is absent, the hemoglobin glycation is affected, and for this reason I use another analyte to measure glycemic control like fructosamine. We also get samples with high HbF. The D10 chromatogram helps us decide whether the A1C is reportable or not. Other blind methods like immunoassay would not give me this information, so I would not know if it's a problem in the patient sample. Since the D10 is fully automated for operational efficiency, my staff appreciates running the D10. They spend less time in pre-preparation of samples or at the machine. There is also minimal interaction and low maintenance. This improves my turnaround time, which is important for me. Running the D10 is efficient and economical. Being a walk-in patient laboratory, it's more efficient to perform in-house testing for A1C, thalassemia, and hemoglobinopathies on our own platform, thereby reducing wastage, energy expenditure, efforts, and time. Also, I am confident of the quality reports when a test is performed in-house. The D10 helps to improve productivity. As the test time is only 6 minutes for thalassemia testing and 3 minutes for A1C testing, many samples can be run on the D10 system in a single day. Thus, it overall improves the productivity of our lab. The D10 system helps improve patient care. The D10 uses cation exchange HPLC technology, which is the gold standard method for A1C testing. HPLC reveals different variant hemoglobins commonly found in India, which may interfere in A1C estimation. It also efficiently detects for thalassemia and other hemoglobinopathies in the extended A2F mode. Thus, the correct diagnosis leads to correct patient care and treatment. The D10 features that pleasantly surprise me the most include getting 2 tests on a single machine for A1C and A2F on the same kit. Also, data can be stored in any form that we want and is easily accessible. We can see the Levi Jennings chart on the screen and also transfer chromatograms to our reports. That's what is impressive. Also, there is App Locker, which provides an extra layer of cybersecurity to protect our data. With a workload like ours, the D10 is the perfect solution for our lab, and when the workload increases, I have plans to add a rack loader to expand capacity. Thus, the D10 meets my immediate as well as long-term needs. In closing, Bioread is a great partner and offers quality machines and commendable after-sales service.